Hello viewers and welcome to another video. This is part 5 of some previous videos. So if you guys haven't watched it before, please click on the links below in the description before continuing this one. Now to continue the instructions. Now the first thing we're going to do is open our Excel document and then start reading the instructions. Now the instructions at instruction E, it said insert rows in an appropriate part of your spreadsheet that calculate for each polling station the total number of employees, the total for each tax collected, and the total that must be paid out as salary. So the first thing we're going to do is the total number of employees. So what we're going to do, we're going to insert rows and here I'm going to put number of employees and the formula we're going to use to count the amount of employees is equal count A, which counts the all. Let's count A bracket and we pull our desired range, and what this count this formula does is count, and based on the amount of cells in or in this range that we select, it counts the unempty cells. So that will give us 7 employees. Next, we are to calculate the total for each tax collected. So we're going to do type total tax collected and the total tax deductions will be the sum of all tax reductions. So we're going to put the formula equal sum bracket and select our range, close bracket and press enter. Next, we are to calculate the total that must be paid out as salary. So the total that should be paid out as salary would be the net pay. So put that, and then to calculate this now it will be sum of the net pay here equal to sum bracket select our range, close bracket. There we go. So we must do this for the rest of for each polling station. So we're just going to continue what we did up here. So just insert 2 cells, and just copy this. Paste it, and then we change the formula. So we select our range, so what we're going to do now, we just copy the formulas, and now I'm going to do now is just select these ranges, the appropriate ranges. So you can see this is similar to this. quite similar. Let's do this one more time. Ensure that it's correct. So that's a range there. That's a range there. So yes, that's correct. And just copy this again. And change this range. And there we go, that's what we're supposed to have so far. And now the instruction says to generate a single graph that compares the 3 polling stations for which employee payment was data was calculated. The graph must show the VAT, the NDFD, and the total salary for each polling station, and name this chart salary distribution. So what I'm going to do is go further down here and start these instructions. So it says the graph must show the VAT for each polling station, the NDFD, and the total salary for each polling station. So what you're going to do now, we're going to put VAT here, NDFD here, and total salary. Next we're going to put here amount on impost, then we're going to put Church of Santiago here, and we're going to put Arden High here. So next what we're going to do, we're just going to calculate the total VAT here and just put equal sum bracket select the range and press enter. Then we're going to do the same for the other schools. So equal sum bracket, here's the VAT, and for Arden so next we're going to do the NDFD for each polling station. So it's going to be same equal sum and put it here, close bracket and press enter. Then we're going to do it for Church of Santiago, so it's equal sum bracket close bracket, and then for Arden